So if you've got these injector flow correction figures that are fluctuating massively, then in our instance, in this Peugeot, it was contaminated fuel. So here you can see this one's at 15, but they were jumping all over the place, so it was kind of 3.0, as normally they should all sit like that. And this was all to do with petrol being in the diesel. I won't tell you how long it took us to work it out because it was a bit stupid. So this is like a screenshot of the symptoms that you're going to get. So you've got loud knocking sound while accelerating, like a pinking sound, excessive smoke coming from exhaust, lower than usual power. Now with this Peugeot 2010, it didn't bring up any fault codes at all. The engine stopping altogether, car struggling to start. Well, ours would start when it was warm. Sorry, it wouldn't start when it was warm. And the only way you'd get it to start when it was cold was on full throttle. So good luck, guys.